Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to the 9 Malls As Seen on TV and Gadget Review channel. This time it's the SANSI Lighting Direct. It's from SANSI Lighting Direct. That's S-A-N-S-I. This is the SANSI 30-watt LED RGB floor light IP66 waterproof outdoor color changing floodlight with remote control, 16 color and 4 modes. That's the description on Amazon. The company SANSI sent this over to me, so I really appreciate it. You can get more information, just search SANSI, or you can go directly at sansiled.com. So yeah, let's open it up, see what's inside. Excited to test this out, see if it's any good. Alright, so here we go. This is what the floodlight looks like. Outdoor LED floodlights, model C2020/BW. So you get a nice instruction booklet. Light up your world, it says. Congratulations. You are sincerely invited to become part of SANSI Moonlight Club VIP. Alright, so you can sign up there, which is cool. You know, like, you're able to contact them after you purchase the product and don't just kind of go away. And look at this thing. So, you know, first off the bat, this is all metal. I was expecting plastic. This is a metal design. At least I think it is. Most of it's metal anyway. Actually, okay. Yeah, I think the housing's plastic. This is a nice metal piece right here. Adjustable. You know, you can, places you can mount the mounting bracket. Comes with a remote, which is nice. And even some screws. And that's it. Look at this thing. Alright, so yeah, let's plug it in. First I'm going to test it inside here, and then once it gets dark I'll test it outside and kind of show you what it looks like at night. Alright, so here we go. I put the batteries in the remote, so here we go, turning it on. 3, 2, 1. And look at that, it's super, super, super bright. Lights up the whole room almost. Let me shine this on the table right here. Look at that. Lights up the entire table. Alright, so let's start changing the colors, see what it looks like. Here's orange, coral, gold, purple, pink, yellow, orchard, navy, indigo, lime, aqua, cyan, All right, white, red, green, and blue. It's crazy. It instantly, when you press this remote, you know, the color changes. It's just an instant reaction. All right, strobe, flash, fade, smooth. You have different modes, mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, mode 4. Alright, so let's see, I kind of like the blue. Where's the blue? No, navy. So yeah, really cool, really bright. I'm excited to see what this looks like outside. Alright, so I do recommend the SANSI 30-watt LED RGB floodlight? The answer is yes. You saw it on the tree out there. It looked great. It was bright, nice colors, lit up the tree. I could definitely see this leaving it outside and kind of using it as landscape lighting, so, or even a floodlight like suggested. So yeah, I do recommend the SANSI LED light. Worked great, better than expected. So thanks for watching my reviews, everyone. If you like them, please continue following. If you want to support my content, go to patreon.com/9malls, or just search Patreon for the number 9, MALLS. And yeah, you can shop the products that I review on my channel. Just check out my Amazon shop, and that's in the description.